Ma'am, your mic is muted, so you can. There is a button there to unmute the mic. बना रहे काजी. So we are starting our training for today, and our agenda is to learn graphic designing for business and social media such as Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So I'm starting from scratch. I will first show you that what are the tools available on internet to design graphics such as logo, banners, brochures, certifications, or any kind of like calendar or ebooks cover or whatever you want to design. You can design online without installing any software in your computer such as Photoshop or CorelDRAW, nothing required. Without those heavy softwares, you can design graphics for business for any kind of need. So I'm going to show you some popular tools on internet to design graphics. And also no technical knowledge required, no prior technical knowledge required, no graphic knowledge required. You can easily design and create.
A very good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon to everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
I'm
afternoon, madam.
audible. Very good afternoon to one and all assembled here virtually for the third day. No? Third day. Third day program on social media digital marketing, organized by Department of Commerce, Bharatiyar University, under the Ministry of Human Resource Development, RUSA program, for the information of the resource person and other allied participants. This is the phase 4 RUSA digital marketing program. Already we have conducted 30 days program. This is the 33rd day, which means fourth phase, which will end on 30th of this month. And for today's session, we have one resource person, Samshar Khan. He is a digital marketing expert and online business coach. Since 2011, he has been actively working in the field of digital marketing and has trained over 2,000 students across India and globe online. He has delivered training and workshop and institutions like Delhi University and IIT campus, and he runs his own training institute based in Delhi NCR. Now he has entered into the top ranking university of the state as well as below 1000 ranking, 801 to 1000 ranking around the globe university, which is Bharatiyar University. His expertise includes lead generation, business branding, and Google Analytics. He is a Google certified trainer to help a business and individual grow using digital marketing skills. On behalf of all the participants, I welcome you, Samshar Khan, for this third day program
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
on social media digital marketing. Yeah. I request all the participants kindly mute your audio, and you can interact at the end of the session. If anything, small queries, you can interact, or at the end of the session, before the 20 minutes before, you can interact with the resource person. And chatting with the participants in between any session or after the session can kindly be avoided. Okay, only the resource person as well as the participants with regard to the academic interaction, because it is a recorded program, moreover, which will be uploaded in our university website and YouTube live also. Apart from that, our department website, it will be uploaded. This is for your kind information. Thank you. Now over to Samshar Khan.
Thank you, ma'am. So, as per our agenda today, we are going to learn graphic designing for business, and then we'll start social media marketing such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. And we'll be learning step by step tools and how to utilize those tools to design almost anything without Photoshop or CorelDRAW installation in your computer. So there are cloud tools available nowadays which companies and individual and graphic designer uses to design logo, brochure, or social media content and any kind of graphics. So for that, I have uh, one simple branding concept. Like I have one for demo purpose, I have created a company, like the company name is What After MBA. So we'll be doing for that brand, so it will be easier for us to understand from the beginning. So we'll first design a logo for that particular brand, and then we'll step by step design all the documents we required for the graphic designing for that particular business. So this What After MBA will be a dummy business just for learning, for the sake of learning. So I'm sharing my screen, and in between, if anybody has question, we can ask in chat, or at the end of the session, as ma'am said that 20 minutes, for 20 minutes we'll have a question answer session, and all questions will be answered. So I'm sharing my screen and we'll start from the scratch. First thing we'll be doing is why graphic is important. I'll introduce a little bit that why graphic has very much importance in online world, also in digital marketing and in online businesses on social media. Because when companies publish anything on social media, graphic is the first thing which attracts people, and it stick in their mind, and to remember that particular brand. So when you, for example, when we remember, let's suppose Flipkart comes in our mind, then that blue and yellow colors comes in our mind. So that is graphic. That graphics we remember. So from the graphics, we remember a brand or a person or a product. So that's why graphic is so important. And if graphic is dull for any brand, that brand doesn't impact on the user that much. So for social media or for any kind of graphic designing, these are some points we should consider. Use bold and bright colors always. As brands and designer move further away from the minimalist design like before, trends of the last few years, bright color schemes will explode across social media. Now is the time to be bold. Use icons. Icons also impact us to remember something. Use icons to illustrate concept. If you are, let's suppose you're designing a logo, or if you're designing a brochure, or if you're designing a PPT, so the use of icon can make it more interactive and more easy to understand for the audience. Create unique illustration. Originality counts, putting in the extra effort to create your own unique. And if you use unique kind of icons, let's suppose you are putting a Facebook icon in a PPT. So the general Facebook icon, how it look like, is like a square or maybe circle. But if you will add a unique icon with some kind of dots, or in any way, if it is unique, that can create different impact. Visual data with charts and infographics. So we should always use charts and infographics in our graphic designing documents wherever it is required. And we should focus on the text. Text also plays an important role in graphic designing. What text is suitable based on your overall brand concept, it matters, because there are different types of font, like this one is different, this one is different. Use pre-media social media templates to get started, and there are templates available nowadays on internet, pre-designed templates for everything, so we can use those things also. GIF, we can use GIF, graphical uh, GIF photos, which are like moving images. And then we should also keep in mind when we are doing graphic designing, that if it is incorporating with our brand or not. So let's suppose a brand color is red and blue, or orange and white. For example, Amazon has a brand color, that and orange and gray color. Like Flipkart has blue and yellow color. The Punjab National Bank has red and one other color. SBI has blue and white color. So these are called brand color. So when you are doing graphic designing for any purpose, you should always incorporate that graphic to your brand color. So if it will match, then it is actual graphic designing. It should match. Even if you are publishing a post on social media for a brand, for a company, you should check if that image you are posting, if that image is incorporating with the brand color or logo or not. These things matters. Example I'll show you here. If I open Facebook and Flipkart, so what we see here is banner of this Facebook page, logo, and all the posts you see all are almost matching. We can see almost every post is blue and yellow. They are using their brand color. They are incorporating in their graphic designing their posts and other images their brand color, yellow and blue. So this is how people remember a brand with their graphics because of the color combination. Now we are going to learn what are the tools available for graphic designing. So one very popular tool on internet is canva.com. Canva.com is a complete graphic designing suite which you can use to design almost anything. Logo you can design using Canva. You can design events poster or documents such as certificates or brochure or like later those things we can design poster. We can design also we can design Instagram post, Facebook post, YouTube post, banners for all those social media platform, as well as we can design presentation on Canva. We can design YouTube video thumbnails. So almost anything you can design using canva.com. This is a complete graphic designing suite for non-designer and also those who are already in designing field, those who knows Photoshop and those who don't know Photoshop. For all this tool is available, and this tool is used by entrepreneurs, graphic designer, content writer, social media expert, Google Ads management experts, website designers, and almost anyone who need graphic designing, any kind of things if somebody want to design. This is a complete suite. A4 document you can design on Canva, and also we can design cards including visiting cards, invitation card, flyers we can design on Canva. We can design even our resume. So if you want to build a very graphical resume or your CV, you can design from Canva instead of using Microsoft and write a simple white background resume. So we have so many ready-made templates here also, and we can also design YouTube intro. We often see before a video play on YouTube a commercial play that is called intro video about the company information. So we can also design that intro from here. Professional resume you can design, even animated logo we can design using Canva. So this is ultimate tool on internet for any kind of graphic designing, and very easy user friendly interface so that anybody can use. And infographics also we can design. Infographics are special kind of images which contains the story, the full article, but in image format, in photo format only. So we can design infographics also. LinkedIn banner we can design, and any kind of brochure we can design like course brochure and all, or maybe menu card for a student, or any types of brochure we can design from here. And also visiting cards, photo collage you can create from Canva. Simple presentation, Facebook ads also we can design from Canva. Desktop wallpaper also we can design using Canva. So almost anything you need related to graphic designing. Educational presentation also we can design from Canva. Certificates we can easily design. Event poster we can design. Birthday card, website banners, menu we can design for a student. Wedding invitation card also we can design. And also we can design Facebook shops logo, YouTube outros, Twitter post, gaming logos, email headers, Facebook video, Zoom virtual background, There are so many things, such as complete suit. Now we are going to learn, these are the features we have learned about Canva, that how Canva can help a person. Now we'll be exploring some features which are available in Canva, like ready-made templates. These things we can do, but most important thing is now Canva is also offering a ready-made template for everything. So if you want to create a logo, you don't have to design it from a scratch. There are templates available which we can use to make a logo easily, more easily. So these are templates, different templates. We have lesson plan, worksheet, certificate, storyboard, bookmark, class schedule. These things also can be designed from here. And we have the features we can check here. Canva features. Canva comes in a paid plan also and in free plan also. So in free plan of Canva tool, we can do almost anything. But in paid plan of Canva tool, if you will be working for a company, let's suppose, maybe you will have a paid version of Canva there, and it will be more easier. It will be easier for you to to use more templates available in the Canva library. But even if the free version is more than enough to do anything. So first thing we'll need to use canva.com, first thing we'll need to do is we'll need to sign up and register here with a Gmail ID. So I have already an account, but this account I'm going to log out and I'll show you step by step how to sign up. So click on sign up like this and we'll create an account. You have Gmail right here. So you'll choose a role, let's suppose small business. So here it is asking start your first design. So whatever you want to design, you can design, or you can just skip this and move to dashboard. Now we are in dashboard. From here we can design. So first you have to click on create design, and then we have multiple options here. Custom size, that means you can choose a custom size and can design something. And there are some more things here. We have suggested posters. So size for this poster is already defined, and logo. So as a standard size is already defined there, 500 into 500 pixel, it will design a logo, but we can also change the size. So whatever you want to design, you will search here in the search box. Let's suppose you want to design a Facebook banner. So you'll search Facebook banner. Facebook cover. So automatically it will take the size whatever the is required on Facebook banner for Facebook banner, and then we have so many free templates available which we can choose based on our requirement. We will choose a design. So here, from here we can also filter that what kind of design you want. So if you will search, for example, education, will display all the education related ready-made templates, or if you will search shop, it will show related to shop. So these are ready-made templates. Now we can easily customize this ready-made templates and make it for our brand. So you can, whatever is your brand, let's suppose here in this case, my brand name is What After MBA, for example. I'm going to design a Facebook banner for this What After MBA Facebook page. So I will try to match my brand color, and I'll try to put a logo for this brand, and I will write the whatever content I want to write for my particular brand, What After MBA. So we can customize it, but I'm going to choose a template for education. So easily you can choose any templates, but here we have two types of templates. Some templates are paid and some templates are free. So in free version we have many templates, and also some templates are available in only paid version. For example, this one, this is also free. And also you will see free tag for in free templates. So we have many templates for different types of business, and we can choose anyone, and we can completely customize any template completely. Everything in the template are customizable. So here we'll choose a template. Let's suppose I want to use this template. So we can change everything here. So if I want to write something here, these are the tools available. We have many tools here. Some tools are on the top and some tools are left hand side. So first, before going further and designing a banner or logo, I would recommend you, because you all are on laptop. So I would recommend you to create your own account on Canva if you wish. And we have 3 minutes for that, 3 to 5 minutes for your account creation. So you can sign up for Canva so that you can practice with me when I'm showing you here how to design. You can also design on your laptop for a practical experience. So we have 3 to 5 minutes for that, and then I will continue again. Stay tuned because we have to learn a lot about graphic designing, multiple tools, then social media, and then also social media promotion, how to increase likes, followers, those concepts, how to run ads on Facebook and all. We have to cover a lot of things we are going to learn today. Stay tuned, just create your account on Canva and explore, so that when I'll start designing this, you can also design together on your system. So 3 to 5 minutes we have for this. So we are going to design a logo for that brand. What after MBA? So we'll select here logo. And to design a logo, we have already available templates, many templates. Whether you want to design a logo for a sports company or for a restaurant, or if you want to design a logo for educational institutes or college or food drink related product or computer or band logo, music band related logo, any kind of business. Design a logo for any kind of business. Cafe logo, DJ logo, games logo, beauty salon logo. We can design logo for attorney and law professional. We can design logo for all kind travel companies. So there are thousands of pre-designed logo templates available based on whatever you assume or whatever you think that this suits your brand name and your concept of logo. You can choose a logo template from here and you can customize that logo completely. Everything is customizable here. So let's suppose this one I'm choosing and I'm going to customize this logo and make it for what after MBA brand, that brand I have shown you one new. So we can change everything, even we can change text, we can change background, we can change icons, everything is customizable. So how easy it is, and you can download the logo. So I'm going to design, but looking for a logo template related to education because that brand is related to education. Yes, it is here. So okay, let's suppose this logo we are going to use. And I can change this text. And you can write your slogan. If there is a slogan for your company, you can write here. If you want to increase font size or decrease font size, all the tools are available. I'll explain each one by one each tool here. So we have two tools, one here and one here, tools area. Okay, and we can change anything, and we can change also color. For example, if you want to change the color, this white color, you can change from here. You can select blue, it will become blue, or red. It is red now. So this is super easy. This tool is very easy to design anything without any prior knowledge. We can change anything here. So I have changed this font. We can make it bold if you want to make. If you want to make it italic, make it italic. If you want to change the font types, we can change. We have here more than 1,000 template font types available. So we can change font type also. So this is very easy. And then you can download this logo on your computer from here. We have these are the options. Try Canva Pro. That means if you want to use their pro version, paid version, you can update from here. If you want to share this logo to anyone on WhatsApp or on Facebook or anywhere, you can share from this button, and you can download from here. You can download in PNG format, JPG format, and even PDF format, and even in video format it is available. So generally images are used in PNG. So because the PNG images are always smaller in size, lightweight. So we'll download it. We have designed a logo for a brand, first thing. Now what are the other things we need in graphic for a brand name? Maybe we'll need visiting card, maybe we'll need their brochure, maybe we'll need their social media templates and banners. So we'll be learning how to design those things also. Logo we have designed. Now I'm going to show you how the logo looks like. This is our logo for this brand, Word After MBA. Now we can use this logo anywhere on the website, on social media and everywhere. Second thing, if you want to resize this photo, now I'm going to show you options. So you can click here on resize and you can resize, but the resize option for a predefined template is not available in free version. If you want to resize and if you have free account, then you will need to choose that size before. After designing, you can resize only if it is a paid version of this tool. And from here, we can create a new design. We can save our already designed stuff here on the Canva also. We can create a folder on Canva and we can save. So this is how we use. Now this tool I'm going to first explain one by one. Yes, here we have font, we have size, we have color, we have bold italic, and then we have alignment.
Nada. Yeah.
And then we have
மிஸ் ஆயிடும்னா மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது.
We also have effects option, so we can change the effect of the photo.
அப்புறம் நெட் லூஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா கரண்ட் கீழே வந்துடுச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு தான் அந்த பின்னு.
And the next thing is we'll design a card now, visiting card. Business card. So we can design business card also on canva.com. Here we have ready-made business card. You can choose any one. Like this, if I choose this design, for example, we can design everything here. We can change the icon, we can change content, we can change color, and okay, and then you can print this card or you can design this card. You can download in PDF, but some templates are available only in paid version, so you will need to pay $1 for that. But if you want to use this anyhow, then you can take a screenshot also. You can take a screenshot and you can save it on your computer. So this is how we design card. Now I'm going to show you these options. What are these options available here in Canva? So I'm going to show you we'll design a banner for Facebook. Okay, the next thing we are going to design is a banner for Facebook page. So we need a specific size banner for this Facebook page. So here we are going to design one using Canva. Click on create a design and then search Facebook banner. Facebook ads, Facebook app ad, Facebook cover. So Facebook cover image we are going to design now for that particular brand. Again we will choose a template. So from here we can choose any design. I'm going to choose this design, for example. Yeah, so let's suppose this template I have selected. And if you want to include logo or anything from your computer, you can use this tool upload. And we can upload an image and add in our banner from our computer also. And we can put this logo somewhere. If you want to add this logo, you can add somewhere in your banner, social media banner, here or on the top wherever you wish it fits. But if it is on Facebook, then we'll put it here, because on Facebook already logo will appear here, so even we don't need on Facebook. And now again you can download this. So this is paid one, we'll need to pay for it, right? $1, because this template was premium template. But the other option I have is we can take a screenshot of this image and we can use it. This is just an additional tips, but it is not recommended, but still they allow to take a screenshot, so we can take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot for this image and we can use it on Facebook. But if you have paid version of Canva, it will be easier for you, and it is always recommended to use their paid version if your company budget allows. Otherwise, free you can use. So we have designed two things, banner and logo. And we can also upload that banner on Facebook, but uploading part we'll do later. Now the other tools we have to learn to use from Canva, like these tools, photo element, text, video, background and all. If you are designing something, now the next thing I'm going to design is, I'm going to design a brochure, for example, or a post for social media, one Instagram post, one Facebook post, or Diwali is coming, let's suppose. So like happy Diwali, all the brands design and they publish. So where you will design, so the Canva will work there. They use Canva to design happy Diwali or Independence Day wish post and all from the Canva. Or Facebook post you want to design, you can design. I'm going to design a Facebook post now. Okay, so we can design easily, and if you want to add a logo, your logo, you can remove the previous element and then you can upload. So if you have already uploaded, it will appear here and then you can use it anywhere on any graphic document. One second. So we can use it here. The background is getting removed. So if you want to upload, you can use your key, right left key and up down key on your computer to move also elements in the graphic designing. And we can make it small also. Okay, it will appear only here. And a series of marketing skills for okay. So our Facebook post design is also ready. If anything you want to change, let's suppose you want to include some elements, so then the element feature will work. So in elements we can include any kind of chart or ready-made stickers or any kind of like icons and emojis through this option. So if I'm going to search degree, they will start showing this kind of image. If I want to insert something like this, I can use the one easily, and we can put it here, here. So this is how elements works. You can use any kind of, there are million of elements here, and you can use anything. If you want to insert car, let's suppose you're working for a car company, you're designing something, then you need a car element. You want to include mobile phone element is there. For everything they have WhatsApp button and all, everything, there are million of elements available which you can use. Now the fourth button is text button. If you want to include one more line text or two line, you can include like headings or small text, or if something like this, or thank you. So it will be added to this like this. So you can design almost anything using Canva. You see here, all the features are available. Now I'll save this post, or you can directly publish it from here also on your Facebook. So many companies they use Canva and they design and publish from here. So they save their time. So they don't need to download and save. Simply design and simply post. Okay, so this is how it works. Now we have to download this one. So we have designed smaller things like banner and post and logo. Now we'll design a complex document. The next one. So our next design is, we are going to design a poster. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can write in chat. Okay. The next design is poster we are going to design, and the remaining tools I will use there in this designing, so that you can understand all the tools, the use of the tools. So here we have posters. There are so many posters already available, pre-designed posters. We can choose any template. So for example, if I want to use this poster to design for what after MBA, but this is election related, we can leave it also. The different one education related will find, because that companies see this kind of professional posters are available. So how easily we can change the content and we can rebrand it for our own brand. Super easy to design anything from Canva. I'm going to use this poster now. Let's zoom it, and here we have zoom option, so you can zoom your screen also, like 200 or 100, whatever, or fill the screen or fit the screen, and we'll be designing this content. And we'll write what after increase decrease length of the content, also title. I'm going to create this, and you can also change font size to make it fit anywhere. You can move it using your keyboard, right and left arrow keyboard. For example, whatever you want to write, you will write here. This is how we design. So now your logo is your this uh, poster is ready. If you want to include now the other tool, I'm going to show you how to use these tools. So we have these tools now. Elements we have used. Text. If you want to add an additional line like this, you can include use text, and you can add a heading or subheading or a small text line, for example, like this, and then you can drag it anywhere, and then you can write here. And then you can change the font from here. Again, you can change the size, and then you can change the color if you want to change, and then you can set it in the center alignment. You can add an effect like this, shadow in your text like this. So there are so many things to do, means all the features available. You need to do a graphic designing like a professional. See, thickness, you can increase and decrease thickness of the shadow. And now you can download this, and in the next poster we'll be learning these tools, and then you can download this in PDF format or JPG or PNG, whatever format you want to download in, you can download easily. This is all free. And the next thing we are going to design is we'll learn how to design brochure. or resume. Let's start with resume. We'll learn how to design a professional resume, creative resume. Nowadays, because creative resume is in demand and it looks more attractive and impress HRs. So we can design a resume like this. 100. You can put photo, so you don't need format search on Google. You can easily sign up on Canva and you can design a professional resume for your profile for your own purpose. You can easily change the text, you can change this easily, and then you can download also free, super easy. You can download in PDF, you can download in image also to send on WhatsApp. So this is super easy. You can change photo. How to change photo? If you have clicked here, you will upload a photo from here, your own photo, and you will put it here. I'll show you practically. Okay, so let's suppose I want to add this photo. You can use this photo here. So now resume will be ready. Everything is easy. Now you can download it in PDF. And if you want to change, say the resume is ready. Super easy, looks interactive. And if you want to add a background image in the resume, instead of this white, you can use this background feature. This feature we are going to use now, like this. See, now it is more. See, this is how the background effect work here. Or this. So different backgrounds available. If you want to use a custom color for your background and the color is not available in the list, then you can choose from here. New color we can choose. So we have learned how to use background feature also. You can also include videos in your banner or any document you are designing from Canva. See the moving videos. You can include videos also even. So we have learned how to design resume as well. Now the next thing we are going to learn how to design festival related posts. So Diwali is coming. So maybe many people who work or many people who are in college or in company or even to wish your friends and family also, we need some kind of custom creative custom designing. So we can use Canva for that also. See, Thakib Academy invites you to night full of music and dance for this Diwali. So this kind of invitation or greetings we can design. like this. If you want to include some kind of icons, again we will use elements and we'll try to find Diwali related icons. So this is Diwali related icons are available. You can use any icons. And here we can make it fit. Whatever you want to write it, suppose
இந்த தலைப்புச் செய்தி
write address or anything. So we can redesign like this easily. Instead of this, I'm going to use this one. Make it smaller. Download in PNG. So this is how we use Canva, and now we have some more options which we are going to learn how to use. So the next, yeah, so we have folder option and we have some more options here. We can even include music, chart, emoji. We can embed some content. We can even use Google Map in our poster and banner and documents. We can use even a QR code we can include. We can include YouTube. You can search something and include things from YouTube also. So there are a lot of things we can do on Canva. Canva is a complete designing software for non-designer and designer all. And the folder is, you can create different folder for different of document to save. Let's suppose you have 5 different kind of brands, or you work for an agency where you work for different clients. So you can save their document and their creatives and graphics in a different folder. You get that option here when you design. After that you have save button. Yes, and here we have some more options. We can delete it, we can lock it so that by mistake nothing will be deleted or changed. It will be locked. And then we have share button, we already learned. Here we have some features. We can share link of this designing also to someone to check if it is okay or not before sending them. So we can design this link and we can send to somebody so that the other person, the client or somebody, your boss, can check. Yes, we can insert other photos from our drive also. I'll show you now how to. We can insert photo from Google Drive. I'll show you how to add. Let me show you that also. So if you want to add something from Google Drive, then you will choose this option and then you will connect your Google Drive. Then you will need to connect your Google Drive with Canva. So I'm going to connect and I'll use a photo from Google Drive. Google Drive is added. Now if I have photo on Google Drive, these photos are on Google Drive. So I can insert something from Google Drive also. Let's suppose I want to include this photo from Google Drive. I can include here easily. And also you can find from internet to add something. You can add, it is easy. So this is how we use Canva. We have learned Canva graphic designing. Okay. And let me check if something more complex we can design. Animated social media post also we can design like this. Something like this. I want to change this. Change the size from here. Decrease this to 18. One line. Now you can download this video and you can upload it on your Facebook, Twitter, wherever you want. But this feature is available in paid version only. So when you will be working in a company, you will have the paid version of Canva. So you can download and upload. So this is how we use Canva graphic designing tool. Now the other tool I'm going to show you, which is more like minimalist tool, minimal tool. Canva is a complete suite and you have so many features, but if your requirement is not much to design, just social media or sometime you need some posters, then you can use Snappa also. Snappa is another tool for graphic designing. For minimalist, little features and user friendly and easy. But in Canva, it is complete suite for everything. But here, some banners and posters and social media posts you can use you can use this tool to design. So I'm going to sign up here again. Here also we'll need to create an account. First, we'll go through the features. Create online graphics in a snap, while up graphics for social media, ads, blogs, and more. Even if you're not a graphic designer, you can design. Snappa saves you time every steps of the way. Start with the perfect image dimension. So you can choose any dimension of image. You can use pre-designed templates like Canva we did here also. Find free high restock photo inside Snappa, and we have so many templates and photo and elements already available in Snappa also, like Canva. Like this, we can also customize text, graphic, and effect in second on Snappa. We can remove background image also here. We can resize in a click whatever size you need for Twitter, for Facebook, for any kind of news. And we can also schedule and share directly on social media from Snappa. So get started free. We can use this intro tutorial. We'll watch this.
Hey, this is Johnny from Snappa, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a great looking graphic using one of our pre-made templates. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is click Create a Graphic on the top left side of the screen. Here you'll have the option of adding your own custom dimensions, or you can choose from one of our preset sizes. In this case, I'll be choosing the Facebook post size. From here, I can pick one of our pre-made templates, which I'm going to be doing here. Once you've clicked on the template you like, double-click on the text box to edit the text, style, and color to fit your needs. Next, I'm going to change the image to something more relevant to my content. I'm going to select Background, Photos, and then in the Search tab on the left, I'm going to search Dog Walkers. Now I can select a background image, reposition it, and apply the changes. From here, I can click on the rectangle, choose a new color in the color picker to make the image and text a bit more cohesive. And there you have it. After a couple adjustments, I've repurposed this template to make a sharp-looking Facebook post in less than a minute.
So this is simply okay. I'm ready to get started. Now we'll design. So what we have here available, we'll first go through that. We can design social media post, pre-designed size. Using pre-designed size, we can design blogging and infographics, blogging feature image or ebook covers. You can design from here. You can design header for the mail and profile page for social media and profile picture, Twitter, Zoom background, YouTube end screen, email header, social media ads also we can choose. Sometimes we see ads on website such as, I'll open the hindu.com. So we see ads here, na? So these ads are designed by digital marketer. If you will work somewhere as a digital marketer or as a creative designer or as a graphic designer, your job responsibility will be to design these kind of ads. You can use Canva or Snappa to design this kind of ads easily. On Snappa we have sizes are already defined, so you can choose whatever size you want, like leaderboard size, this one. So automatically it will show you some templates and then you can choose a template to design. So for example, if I'm going to design an ad here, then I will choose a pre-designed template. This one, in this case, design is ready. Now if you can also include your company logo here. So now I'll show you these tools. We have 5 tools here: background, effects, text, graphic, and steps. So to include a photo or any elements like this, you can add here. See, easily we can include something. and you can also change its opacity like this, like this. You can rotate it in any angle, and if you want to include a logo, you can upload logo from here, your company logo. In this case, this is our logo. If you want to include, you can include somewhere. Your ad is ready. So this is how super easy to use Canva and Snappa to design ads, logo, banner, anything you want to design. It is easy, and you can download from here. In free version of Snappa, you can download up to 10 graphics per month. But if you upgrade their plan, it is cheapest tool also, like most cost effective. So you can use Snappa premium version, only $10 per month. And you can what you will be accessing, you'll have access of 6,000 plus templates, pre-designed templates, design and HD photo and graphics, more than 4 lakh, unlimited downloads you can per month, and you can also connect your social media to post directly from here. And custom font you can also upload. You can remove image background in paid version only. In free version you cannot remove. So this is how it works, Snappa. Okay, so this is how graphic designing works. Let's do 5-minute question answer session about graphic designing first, and then we'll take a pause for 2-3 minutes, and then we'll start our social media program where we will be learning Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Ask your question in chat. Attendance sheet. Yes, attendance sheet also you can design. If it is here, let me search. For attendance sheet, there are templates available in Excel sheet on a website called smartsheets.com. See, so you can download from here also, and you can design. See, we have available templates, attendee name, organization, phone number, email address, location, all these things you can use. You can download in Excel sheet, and you can use this template. We can use this template to design, to maintain attendance. See, like this. You can remove if anything is here. You can design a header from Canva or Snap, and you can put that header here like this. In this case, just for the sake of showing how to insert, you can design something unique from Canva and you can insert here header. Any other questions? No questions. Okay, so we are taking a 5-minute pause and then we'll start social media, Facebook, all the features of Facebook, how to create Facebook presence for a brand online, and then Twitter and then YouTube. Okay, after 5 minutes. Hello again. So now we will learn about social media, which is part of digital marketing. And one of the most important part of digital marketing is social media. As a brand or as an individual or as a freelancer or as a consultant, we all need to be on social media. And if you're working somewhere as a social media manager or maybe marketing manager or maybe executive, you are executive there, business executive, you will need to use social media, you need to utilize social media to promote that brand, to promote their product and to increase their brand awareness.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, sure, please.
Yeah. In the introduction, they have told you have participated the Google certification program. So, which website we have to reach to go for that certification?
Certifications, okay, at the end of this session I will introduce about Google AdWords certifications, and also will share the link of that website where you can sign up and get free Google certifications.
Okay, and also your website details, sir, so that we can contact you.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very nice explanation about Canva, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome, sir. So there are many social media platforms nowadays like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, VK, and there are some social media platforms which are country specific. For example, in China we have WeChat, in Russia we have VK. So, and there are many platforms. In some country they have their own social media program, maybe in Turkey. And so some common social media platforms are which are globally used. These are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. YouTube is basically a video come social media platform. So we'll be learning how to create brand presence from scratch for a startup or for a company. Let's suppose you are hired for social media management, or you are hired in a company as a digital marketer or online business management manager. So what are the things you will be doing? What are the steps you will take to create brand presence on social media? Here, first thing we do is we check our social media availability. So the one software is called noem.com. Here we can check username availability for that particular brand. So here in my case, in our example case, we have a brand called What After MBA. Okay, the company name is What After MBA and the website is whataftermba.com. So if you are responsible to manage or create social media presence or to do digital marketing for this brand which is going to launch, so what are the steps you will be taking? What are the steps we'll take? So first thing we'll do is we'll check that the domain name the company has booked. So we have the company name whataftermba.com. Now we'll check if the social media usernames are available or not. Same, because if you notice a company like Flipkart, Amazon, these company has their social media profile on almost all social media. Here I'll show you. For example, Flipkart is on Facebook, Flipkart is on Twitter, Flipkart is on Instagram. So you see these brands are available everywhere on YouTube, on LinkedIn, everywhere you will find these brands. Because social media is so important. The reason behind this is crowd is there. So if there is a crowd, that means there are people, audience there. So if there is a crowd, you can use that crowd to promote your brand, product, your information. You can get audience, you can get customers from there. So that's why social media is important, and all brands are available on social media. So one thing, if you will notice, their username means their address on that particular social media is same everywhere. Flipkart, very simple. You will see Flipkart, and Twitter also Flipkart. So the first thing is important here to create your presence, that you have to check if the username is available or not. Because if somewhere your name is Flipkart India, or somewhere it is Flipkart 213 or Flipkart.shop like this, then it is not the way professionals do social media marketing. So your username should be same everywhere. Your domain name should be yours, like .com, and then your username. So we check username from this website, noem.com. Search over 500 popular social networks, over 150 domain names, and the entire USPT or trademark database to instantly secure your brand on internet, because that is what create your brand. If you are starting a brand and you have trademark and you have patent of that brand, then the domain name should be yours and the social media profile should be reserved for your that particular brand. So here we are going to search about what after MBA. Now we can see here on these social media popular platform, it is saying on Facebook it is not available. Means on Facebook already there is a page with this name, what after MBA. And the other places on LinkedIn also it is saying that there's already a page on LinkedIn which with this name, on Quora also. So this is what I have created already, that's why. So if you see that most of the names are not available for this brand name, then you will choose a different unique username so that you can reserve everywhere with the same unique username. But if it is available, one second. So we check username from here and then we can create our profile on those social media with the same username. So first we are going to learn how to create profile, means create presence, because the first step as a social media manager is for a brand is you have to be there, you have to create your presence there, and then the other parts come, other parts like marketing there or creating engagement or driving traffic to your website and business, creating your brand awareness comes later. The first thing we have to be there, like like Flipkart is everywhere. So first we will create our social media profile for this brand, and for that you need an email ID. Okay, so we have also one email ID already on Gmail for this brand, what after MBA. I'm going to create pages now. I'll show you. So for social media, we have profile for personal use, but when it comes to brand or a company or any commercial use, you will not create profile, you will create page instead. Pages are available, separate space available for brand and commercial purpose. So we create page for brand, not profile. Like this, I have multiple pages here for different brand, WordPress administrator or Click Perfect Institute or whatever. So what for what after MBA also I have created a page here. So first step is when you are going to promote a brand, you will create a page for that brand. Okay, so this page I have just created. Now I'll show you how to create a page. Here on plus icon we have option create a page here. So you can create a page for your brand from here. I'll just show you the steps because I have already created, but the steps I'll show you. So here we write page name, whatever the brand name is, and then here you will choose your category of the page, the business. So always choose right category so that Facebook can recognize what types of business page it is, and based on that they will recommend people to like your page, and their algorithm automatically recommends sometime na, like this page, or you may know this person, like that. So that they do based on the category you select, and then you will write your business description. That's it, and your page will be created. You will create page, and your page will be created just like this. We have one for what after MBA. Okay, so here we have created our presence, we have reserved our username, you see here. So we have a page, a space on Facebook for this particular brand. Same we have to do for Twitter also. So on Twitter also we will create a profile. I'm going to log out my personal account. Add an existing account. Or no, but we have not yet created. So first we'll need to log out, or in a new tab I'm going to show you Twitter. We will sign up now. So here on sign up button for after MBA, next. Now we can choose a password. We can upload our logo here, but these things we'll do later in the next step. These things also will do in the next space. First we are just creating our space. We are just reserving our username. So we have reserved our username on Twitter also. Now we have profile. This brand is now on YouTube, sorry, on Twitter also. And about this username, now your address on Twitter is Twitter MBA what. So this should be your username should be easy to memorize. Brand name, it should be brand name. In case if the brand exact brand name is not available, that then you can include India or IN or anything. You can include or the something, these words. But first you have to try to book your own company name, exact name. So, and you can change this from setting here. So I'm going to setting. First we'll correct the username. Let me complete this one after MBA now. Because Twitter has recently changed their UI, that's why it is maybe hidden somewhere. I need to check. And sometime also it happens that when you have just created your account, what will happen on Facebook page, especially it happens that in some category they do not allow you to choose a unique username until you reach your page reaches 5 likes, 25 likes, because this is why they do to protect brand's name, big brand name. Otherwise what happens that if big brand name has not created a page on Facebook, some any other random person can create with the same name, and that will be disturbing for that big brand. So that's why to protect them, sometimes the social media do not allow to change username until you reach 25 likes or something. They all have different policy. So okay, so first thing we have to create just profile. So we have created profile on Twitter also. Now we are on Twitter also. Now I'm going to sign up for Instagram. So we'll create an account on Instagram for this brand. So we'll sign up. Now we can skip this follow option, or you can follow some accounts. So your profile is now created on Instagram also, and your username and your address is this instagram.com/whataftermba. So this is best practice to create presence of a brand from scratch on social media platforms. This is first step. So you can create profile on many platforms, as many as you can, depends on, because there are million of social media, like at least 1,000 of social media platforms are there. So these three we have created. The fourth one I'm going to create is LinkedIn. On LinkedIn also, like Facebook, we have separate space for business and commercial purpose. So that is called LinkedIn company page. So we will create a LinkedIn company page on LinkedIn. Here we have option. In your profile you will see your profile photo, and here you will see an option to create a company page. So I'll click here, and here at the end it is mentioned these are company page I have already. Now we have option here, create a company page on the work tab. So from here we can create company page, but first let me check if I have already page for this brand. No, we don't. So we'll create a page here for this new brand. Most people, what they do, most of the people do mistake, they create profile for the company or institute or college or for brand. Profile we don't have to create on Facebook and Twitter, sorry, Facebook and in LinkedIn. We have to create page, separate page. So we'll choose our company type, page type, small business or medium to large, or just showcase page or educational institution. Showcase page means, and this is not a company or with a physical address. If you are creating a page for example, Flipkart is a company and they have a brand or concept of big billion day once in a year. So they have page for Flipkart also and for big billion day also. So if in that case, if you have to create a page for big billion day or something like that, then, and that is not a company or brand, then you will choose showcase page only. So I will choose here small business because this one is a business. What after MBA? And I'll write a company name. We'll choose username, same exact username. Always try to choose exact username. If it is not available, then you can include something like India or maybe the something like this. And then company detail will fill here. So it is an educational institution or e-learning. Company size we can include like this. And then you can upload company logo. It is asking to upload. So first we have designed already from Canva. The first thing in digital marketing or in brand online marketing, brand promotion is you will need to design a logo and some creatives. And then here we will write about the company. So here we have limitation. What after MBA is necessary to help MBA person to become marketing expert? To business manager, whatever. So here I'm just writing for the sake of training, anything. And we can create a page for this brand. So now this brand is available on these all social media platform. You have created your brand visibility. Second thing, what is our purpose of doing social media marketing? Why companies do social media marketing? The main goal, the end goal of social media marketing is to increase your brand awareness, to bring customers on your site, to bring traffic to your site means, and to increase sales and purchase and inquiries for your business through your website. These are our purpose behind doing social media or behind being there on the social media. So first step we have done. First step is you have to create your presence. The second step is you have to complete your profile. So all social media has different features and their layout is different, their look is design is different. So then the next step is we have to complete our business profile there. That means whatever informations are required, we have to fulfill those information. In these informations, the first thing is our logo and banner, logo and timeline banner. So we have logo option, we have timeline banner, everywhere you will see. Here also on Twitter I had created, okay, Twitter, I'm going to log in again here. Okay, let me remove these all tabs. Yes. So first thing the second thing we have to complete our profile on social media. Means you have to upload your custom logo for that particular social media platform. in whatever size they required, and on Twitter, on Instagram, on all platform, banner and logo, the second step. For that, you have size guidelines, which you can find on Google. So it is called social media image cheat sheet. For all social media, they have different size requirement based on their layout and look. So if you see here on Facebook, we need logo size. Logo size is recommended in 180 into 180 pixel profile photo, okay, or logo size. And cover photo you need 820 into 312 pixel. If you will random find from Google a photo and you will put in your timeline banner on social media, it will not fit there. Maybe something will cut, or maybe something will not be visible, or it will go blur. So always it is required that if you are doing it professionally, if you are doing it for a brand, then always create graphics according to their requirement of size. So size guidelines you can find from internet. These are size guidelines. Now you can design for this particular size on Canva, because there you can select dimension, and also they have ready-made options for social media. So these are size guidelines. We have to upload logo and all. So now here we have already designed logo. I'm going to just upload and complete one profile. Facebook is bit slow. The new design is, but okay, we'll do it here. So here we have to complete profile. So logo I have already uploaded. Banner I can upload from here. So one banner, cover image, and the size is also mentioned here. So we can choose a size banner, but we have not yet designed. So now again we'll do graphic designing, and I'm going back to Canva. Only one I'll show you, because according to, we don't have that much time. So one I will show you example, and the same we have to apply for all the platform. LinkedIn banner. Okay, so I have designed. I will upload cover photo from here. Done. And then whatever other information required to complete this page will provide. So like company description or about us, company location, these things are required in order to complete this page. Because if the page is not completed, if your website is incomplete, then it will not rank in Google. Same, if your social media profile is incomplete, people will not connect. Maybe if profile photo is not there, information is not there, so it looks unprofessional or anonymous kind of page. So you can complete your profile by putting all the information required, digital mark, whatever, what after MBA. is an initiative to help MBA professionals to become business owner. Okay, done. And more informations like phone number, company founded year, whatever means the options available on different platform, because every platform has different design and different information required. So you will choose based on whatever they are asking. So you have completed. Now the other information, visit your website button is on, page information, so it is added, overview, it is added, location you have added, if it is not added, you will add your location. Sorry. I will write address of the company. And if you are using any special keyword for your product service, you can write, I'm going to use this keyword what after MBA. That's it. So you have completed your profile. Now your profile is almost completed. You have completed your profile. So second step was to update your, create your profile and then update your graphics and then update your information. And now your profile is ready. A company presence you have created. The next thing is we have to publish content. You have to post information to let people know that we are selling or we are providing this service or selling this product, or we are providing this kind of information to bring them to our website and to let them know about brand and product and service or a new product launch. So next thing is content planning. Okay, once you are there, now the next thing is content planning. Now the question is, what you will be posting on social media every day? If you are working as a social media manager or as a social media professional, or if you are managing your own business social media, what you will be posting there every day? This is a big question. So for that, and also if you are there, because audience are there not to buy something, they are there to entertain themselves, to read news, or to connect with their family and friend. So directly selling something on social media is not going to work. If you are going to sell that buy my product or buy my service or enroll in my institute, this is never going to work on social media. So the concept for social media is you have to entertain people there, engage people there, educate people there, or inform people there. Means your content planning should be focused on engaging, informing, educating, and entertaining people, not selling anything. Selling you have to do indirectly. So the content planning, so this is big question, that what then I will be posting there every day. So we have content ideas, we have social media post ideas. You can note down or create your own content ideas based on the product and service you are selling, because every company has different product and service. But based on these four concepts, four things I discussed, you have to plan that what you can do, what you can post there 7 days in a week. Every day it should be different, because same post if you will be posting, nobody will be bothered to like or engage or comment with your post or click on the link of your website there. So we have to engage, educate, entertain people there. So different, now here we have 52 content ideas for businesses to post on social media. So you can make it unique also every day, and it will be interesting for people who have liked your page. So sometime we can publish company blog post. If your company has a website and you publish post there, you can share that post on social media. Sometimes you can post about the company culture. Let's suppose birthday celebration for an employee or some events is going on, you can post about that on social media. Sometimes you can curate something from internet, like some informative thing, and you can share on social media. Sometimes you can share industry news. So these things will make interesting, and it will keep engaging people. But if we will be posting buy our product or learn from us, these things, nobody will bother to click or engage with your content. Sometimes you can do question answer with your audience, so it makes interesting. Sometimes we can share companies commercial video or photos, something about our company or achievement, accomplishments. Sometimes we can share customers review and testimonial on our brand social media page. It can build trust. And also people wants to write, they love to write about the what other people are saying about this product. Sometimes we can share quick tips and advice. So there are different types of post ideas, the list goes on. You can, based on that 4 concept, you can make a list of post ideas for every day, for a week. As a social media manager, this is our job now. And you will be posting. So for post, a professional post, how a professional posts look like, because sometimes what we see that people just upload a photo or they just write something and they do not mention link, they do not mention photo, and that post look like not very interesting and interactive. So for posting, there are some rules. Rules for posting is your post must contain captions, means whatever you are posting. Let's suppose I'm posting about a product launch or a new course launch about this what after MBA here in this case. So I'll write 2-line caption first about that product, service, events, or whatever I'm posting. I'll write some content first, 2 line. Okay, so I have written about my post, whatever I was posting. And if I'll simply copy and paste this, post this on social media, nobody will interact with this post, because this post is not interactive. So a professional post should contain text, a call to action, means if I have written no more, then I will write website URL or contact us page URL. But there always include tiny URL, means shortened URL on social media, not the same URL of your website. So before posting a URL or website address, we have to make it short using Bitly tool. Bitly is a social media shortener tool, so we can shorten the URL. And why we shorten this URL? Because in some case your company page is maybe too lengthy and too technical, that if you will post on social media, people will look suspicious, look at that link that this is something wrong or maybe too technical. So we make it short and pretty before posting it on social media. Let's suppose Flipkart is posting about a phone, they are promoting a phone, so their link is too lengthy that if they will post this link directly without shortening it, then nobody will click. Maybe they will think that if I'll click, my computer will hang or it will crash. So that's why we first use Bitly to shorten the link, and then we publish on social media. And the second thing is, so call to action means the URL is called call to action. Anything which call people to take action is called call to action. It could be a phone number also. So either phone number or website address you have to mention. And the second thing, you have to use a graphic. You have to design a graphic for that post and for that social media. So we'll design a graphic for this particular subject only using Canva. Quickly I'll design. So Facebook, if I'm going to post on Facebook, I'll design according to the Facebook size. So Facebook cover, Facebook post, see. Net is disconnected. Okay, so on Canva, we'll design a post, a graphic, especially for this particular post, this content. Here, so we have LinkedIn post. So we'll choose LinkedIn post template, and it will automatically take the size whatever is required there, and we can choose a template which relate to that post we are writing, we are going to publish, or we can start from scratch also. If you have already a photo related to that post, you can choose this one, otherwise we will use a template. So I'm going to use this template now. And here I will mention something related to this post, what we are going to write. Yes. And we can, if we have to write more, we can include subheading like this, and we can write a little about, if not all text, we can include a little about the text. If this is too big, we can use content one. And then whatever design you put in, maybe you will add a logo. It is always recommended to add your logo in all the graphics everywhere. Whenever you are posting, include your logo, so that when Google will crawl and they will index this photo in the search engine, and if somebody will search about something related to this photo will appear, and there your logo will appear also. So your brand name will get popularity. So that's why logo we should use in all graphics everywhere. Done. Here we can remove, or maybe we can add whatever what after MBA. So now our post is ready. We'll simply include with that post content and we'll publish it on LinkedIn. So, and one more thing is you have to use hashtag. So main keyword or main theme of your post, you have to make that main keyword your hashtag. So for example, career, we are talking about career here in this post. We are talking about MBA here. We are talking about learning, something we are going to teach, or at least one or two hashtag you have to use. Or you, if you have a special hashtag for your brand, like what after MBA was my brand hashtag, you can choose a brand hashtag also. Like for example, simply connect or bank you trust upon for PNB. So these kind of slogan or hashtag, if you have, you can use. So now our post is ready, complete. So text means caption, your call to action, your image or video, and hashtag. These are four elements a post should have. The anatomy of a good post is these four things. Now we are going to publish it on LinkedIn quickly. So our first post, we are going to do our first post, because when you will post your first information, article or post, LinkedIn algorithm will actively recognize this page and they will start recommending people to like. So I have uploaded this. And our post is ready. Now publish it. So our page is now 100% complete. Your page is now built for success. And how the post look like, you can see here. So a professional post, if you will look, if you will audit your competitors, you will see the big brands are posting like this, look like professional. So this kind of post, if you will do using this method, this post will get more engagement, more clicks, and more likes, more reaction, and therefore more traffic on your website, because this is attractive, an interactive image. So this is how we post. Now the second thing, now your brand is there, you have uploaded their graphics, you have uploaded your information, you have started posting, you have got the post ideas also for every day. Now the fourth thing is, now you have idea of what to post. Second thing is when to post, like how frequently you should post on your social media. Being a social media manager, this depends on your resources and your availability, whatever resources you have, and your availability of time. But the only thing is here to be consistent. The consistency is important, whether you post monthly or weekly or just once in a year, but you should be consistent. So some companies post 5 times a day, some company post 3 times a day, some company post every day, some company posts weekly, but you have to be consistent. So for that, social media manager and agencies use calendar. Social media management calendar, if you search on Google, you can download a free calendar template from Smartsheet. I'm sharing link also in chat so that you can use. Okay, so from this website, you can use the social media template and you can plan your social media posting time and date based on the calendar. So let me share the right link so that you can download directly. If you will have a calendar managed, you will not need to think every day that what to post today. You will have already planned content. Okay, Monday we are going to post some motivational quotation. Tuesday we are going to post some offers. Thursday we are going to post some industry news. Wednesday we are going to post our product. And when you keep posting different content than your commercial. Then if you one day if you will post something offer or you will ask people to buy, then nobody will be bothered, because most of the time your brand is engaging people, entertaining people, educating people, so you are in their mind now. If you will sell something, they will be happy to click, they will be engaged. But all the day if you will be selling, nobody will be bothered to click. So this is concept. 90% you have to post things which is not commercial, and then 10% you can promote your products. So from here we can download social media planning calendar like this, and based on your time and availability you can create your own calendar for your brand like this. So you can explore this later. I'm going to share this link in chat. So now we have got idea what to post and when to post based on your templates. Now the third thing is we'll be learning how to post, because when you are managing 50 social media, let's suppose for your client and for somebody, or let's suppose your own organization has 10 social media platform profile. So one by one, if you will be posting, if you will be designing creatives, you'll be writing content, you will be posting there, it will take a lot of time. All day will be uh, covered, all time you will spend doing these things, and also you will need to log in one to one on every platform, and you will need to check where people have liked or not. So in that case we use social media tools to manage our platforms, social media posts. Okay, so there are social media tools which can automate your social media posting and efforts. One of the most popular tools for social media management used by big brand is Hootsuite, and the other one is Buffer. Buffer is most cost effective also. You can use Buffer. Their plan start from $10. So we can use Buffer to post on social media. Apart from this, there are many tools available on internet to manage social media. What we can do with Buffer, first I'm going to introduce Buffer features. So social media tools can help you manage all your platform from one dashboard. So you don't need to log in one by one on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram and upload content one by one and post. So it will save a lot of your time, because from one single dashboard you can manage all your social media platform, you can post everywhere, you can schedule your post, you can engage with your audience who are engaged with your post. If somebody will comment or like your post, you can directly comment from here, one dashboard to all your platform. So a lot of features we can utilize using social media tools. So you can plan, you can create, and you can schedule posts on all your platform from one single dashboard. So you don't need to spend much time to log in everywhere one by one. And Canva is most easy and user-friendly tool for social media management and scheduling. And even you can, some tool has their integrated feature so that you can even design post from the same tool. So I'm going to show you this tool also, how it works. So I'm going to use Buffer now for this brand. So Buffer, we have Buffer is paid one. 0 for 30 days. So we can start trial, but it is not. Okay, it is huge shoot. So Buffer we can try free also. Buffer has different kind of plan. 14 days we can try their premium plan, and after that it will downgrade to the basic plan where you can manage up to 4 profile free forever. I'll show you how to connect your social media accounts on Buffer, and then how to post on all your social media from Buffer dashboard only without going and login into Facebook, Twitter and all one by one. So I'm first going to connect Facebook. You will need to give access to the page. So page is not here. Okay, the page is not completed yet. That's why it is not here. So at least one profile we can connect now. Crowdfire. And you can also note down Crowdfire is also other alternative tool for Buffer. Crowdfire is another tool. Tools also I'm sharing in chat. Buffer, Crowdfire, and Hootsuite for social media management. Smartsheet.com is for social media calendar planning, and content post ideas. You have Co-Schedule website. You can search in Google. And for graphic designing, we have canva.com and snappa.com. So Crowdfire, yes. So here it is. So here we can connect social media. Twitter I'm going to connect. Or Crowdfire, let me check the other tool, Crowdfire app. This one is the concept is that you will create your account on those social media platform tools, either Buffer or Hootsuite or Crowdfire or any, and then you will connect your social media, and then from here, from this dashboard, you can compose post and you can share all your on your all social media. So here I'm going to but show you at least practical. First, I'll log out my previous account. Get started and then we'll sign up. whataftermba.com at gmail.com. Password. Now we can connect one by one. LinkedIn company page first. I will connect. So if you have multiple page, you will need to choose a page to connect. Here we have connected What After MBA, and then the other profile I will connect, and then we will learn how to post accounts from here. Tutor will also connect. Okay, I just forgot the password for other account. I will update Instagram or LinkedIn or Pinterest, Facebook. So here we have connected two profile at least now, just for the sake of training. Now what we can do is this tools offers us features to publish post from one single dashboard to many other platform, and also we can schedule, we can check analytics, we can mention other people also, and we can use hashtag also from here, and we can also schedule for the future post. So the post which we have created, I'm going to publish this post using this tool directly to all the platforms we have connected here. So in this case, we have 2 platforms here connected. We can add many, and we will simply upload our post. And hashtag, if you are using hashtag, you will use. If you want to use location, you will mention location here. And if you want to use smiley and all, and then here we have option. You can post now, or you can post at a custom time, or post at best time, based on, like, if you have already started posting on this through this tool, then later this tool will automatically read that what are the best time when audience engage with your post, and then the tool will automatically decide that what time this post should be published. Otherwise you can specify a time. So I'm going to post right now, and this post will automatically published on Facebook and LinkedIn and whatever account you have selected here if you have multiple. So you don't need to go Facebook and everywhere one by one. This is the feature of the tool. So we have learned overall in social media that how to create presence, and before creating presence, how to research if the name is available or not. And then we have learned how to complete your profile, graphics, designing graphic size guidelines, and then we learned what to post and how to post and when to post. We are learning, and we have learned the concept of that factor of making people engage with your brand. That 4 pillar of content success on social media is that entertaining, educating, and informing people. And the last thing, quickly, I'm going to show you how to create paid ads on Facebook to generate leads and sales. So I'm going to show you my own profile. I used to generate leads through Facebook. So I'll show you my own profile so that you will have more clear idea how it works. And also I'll show you if that post is published or not. On Facebook we did what after MBA. So our post is published already. Facebook is a bit slow. Okay, so meanwhile we can check ads. This is how Facebook ads look like. Here you can create different kinds of ad on Facebook. So at least basic structure we should first learn. Facebook ad structure. On Facebook you can create ads campaign for different objectives. Let's suppose you want people to visit your restaurant or your coffee shop or your college, then you can run ads on Facebook. If you want people to visit your website through Facebook, you can run ads on Facebook. If you want to increase your page like, you can run ads on Facebook. So based on your objective, if you want people data, leads, or you want them to buy on your website, on your online store, you can run a different kinds of campaign. So we have different types of objective, and based on that objective, we have different types of campaign on Facebook. For that, first we'll learn about the Facebook ad structure, which is structured in 3 concept: campaign, ad set, and ads. So campaign is objective. On the campaign level, we select objective. Based on objective, we select campaign. Each campaign corresponds to a single advertising objective, like driving website traffic, or increasing page likes, or increasing your post engagements, or generating leads, something like that. So whatever is your objective, you will select campaign. After this, I will show you what are the campaigns options available. Under a campaign, we create multiple ad set. Ad set means a set of audience or a set of target location or types of people you want to show your ads. You can set a budget and a schedule for each of your ad set and organize each set by audience segment, people who live near your store. So let's suppose you, for example, if you are promoting an iPhone, your company is selling iPhone. Now you have to promote that iPhone in Bangalore also, and in Delhi also, let's suppose, or you have two types of iPhone, like refurbished iPhone and new iPhone. So in that case, you will create two ad set, because for both things you have different audience, different location, or different like targeting methods. So you can create ad set for that, but the objective is same, to sell. So you will select campaign same, and then you have multiple ads you can create under each ad set. Ads means the creative, so you can create different creative and different types of ads you can write under one campaign, so that Facebook will show different variation of your ads to people, and they will see which ad is performing best. Each ad set can feature multiple ads featuring different image, text, links, or video. You will still define creative targeting and bidding for each of your ads. And also for each of your ads, you can define cost targeting. So now I'm going to quickly show you that my ad account. I'm running an ad for lead. I'm targeting Delhi NCR customer for lead generation. Okay. So this is my ad, or this one I'm targeting globally. So this is my campaign. In this campaign, my budget is 300 rupees per day. And under this campaign, I have an ad set. This is my ad set. In this ad set, I have set who to show this ad, like target audience and the location and all. So I'll show you here. So on the ad set level, I have set location Canada, age this, interest this. So these people will see my ads in this location, whatever I have set here. And what will display to them? Ads. So third one is ad. Under campaign, ad set, under ad set, ads. Campaign is about objective, ad set is about the target location and people, audience interest, and ad is your creative. So here my creative is here. This ad appears to those people in Canada, and then I receive inquiry and sales. So this is ad copy and this is photo. So we create ads. To create ads, you have to create your account on Facebook Ad Manager. The address is facebook.com/ads manager. You can simply type and you can sign up for this also. I'm sharing link in chat. So almost we have covered all the things today, what we can cover in this time, these hours. Now we can do question answers. We have 10 minutes for that. 10, no, not 10, even 15 minutes. Like 7:30 we have to finish, but we can extend for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes we can do question answer. If anybody want to ask.
Yes, sir. Please, we can continue. Also, that Google certification.
Yes, sorry, Google certifications. For Google certifications, you can simply search for a Skillshop Google, this one, and the URL is this, and it is free. See, this is Skillshop, where you will sign up or sign in with your Google account. I'm sharing link. Certification is completely free, Google certification. This is URL, and you will sign in with your Gmail account. And here you will choose courses. So they have many courses in Google. You will choose a course to take, and then, for example, if I want to take this course, I will choose this course, and here we have test and assessment. So we will choose this one, and then read disclaimer, and then you can take the exam. And you will launch exam. Most of the exams here are free, almost all are free, and you have time limitation for 75 minutes for some course. For some certification you have 50 minutes, but you can retake exam always. If you fail to pass, you can take again the next day. And most of the exam has validity. Most of the Google certification has validity of 1 year or 1.5 year maximum.
Is
So
there
you can.
any other Facebook test also, sir? Facebook or any other LinkedIn testing?
Facebook also has certification, but Facebook certification is paid. You will need to pay them $100 to take their exam. But Google is free. So this is how we pass Facebook Google exam. I'll show you certification also how it looks. I have some certification, 4 5. So here in my account, in my profile, these are certifications. So this is how Google certifications. You can once you are certified, you can print it in PDF, and you can add information in your resume also, and you can also share link directly to anyone by clicking on this option. Make your profile public so that anybody can view that you are a Google certified trainer or you are a Google certified digital marketing executive. So this is how it works. Any other question if anybody want to ask? Anything related?
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, we can proceed for the other area. You told 10 minutes.
Sure, sir. Thank you. So just let me confirm if we can end the session or not with the management, and if they will say, we will end the session. And thank you for learning.
Yeah,
If
you
any,
are very knowledgeable person. It's better we get that also, sir. The 10 minutes,
thank you so much, sir. So
please.
just I'm confirming if we have to end the session. If anybody want to for any kind of help, you can search my number on Google also. I'm there, and you can join. Like you can ask anytime if you have any question related to digital marketing. We provide free support and help.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, all the Google certifications are valid, and also all certifications are globally recognized. Sir, we should. And also about digital marketing. Meanwhile, ma'am is coming online, so we will end the session in 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm discussing about the digital marketing opportunity. See, digital marketing is the only skill which you need whether you are going to work or whether you are going to start your own business or whether you want to earn money or want to create some income source sitting at home or traveling the world. This is the only skill which can give you flexibility of earning from anywhere, anytime. And if we talk about job perspective, even in job, digital marketing is highly demanded skill because every company has their website. So if there is a website, there is a person required to manage and promote that website. So the job opportunity is huge. This is like demand more and supply less situation is going on.
Interaction.
And in digital marketing, 5 modules are important, like graphic, social media, SEO, PPC. These are the core modules which one should learn to get job ready, to become job ready easily.
Good evening, all.
Good evening, ma'am. Mics are muted. So,
Yes, Shamshir Khan.
yes, ma'am.
Is it audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. Your session is over now, no?
Yes, our session is over.
How was the interaction?
It was good, and I can see that people has asked some questions also, and their feedback is also good. They're asking,
Very
and
good,
they were asking about Google setting.
Okay, sir. Shall we conclude? Any one of the participants? You want to say a vote of thanks? Ganesh. Yesterday,
Yes,
Ganesh
ma'am.
sir
Shall I
told.
proceed?
Today, who is the volunteer?
Shall I proceed, ma'am? I'm Murli.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, all the sessions were very useful. All the comments that Rainer has given, very, very useful, and particularly having direct relevance for application. I find he has very good knowledge of other areas also. If his service is used for some other session also, it will be really of great use. And complete reservoir like that, he is having practical application. So I thank you very much, Shamshir, and thank you, sir. And I thank
Thank you, sir.
Bhargav for organizing this program in an excellent manner. We are all very much making use of the program in an excellent manner. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, participants. We will meet again and kindly fill your attendance sheet and as well as the feedback form.
Not posted, ma'am. Again. We are waiting for it.
Thank you, ma'am. Sir, already posted the link.
Yeah.
Attendance sheet, already posted, already.
Okay.
Yeah. Shall we wind up?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shamshir Khan. We will meet again.
Thanks, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
much.